Welcome back to my channel. Stefan Wolf is here. A different video today, a beginning of a series. First, excuse my voice, I get the man flu, so the dreadful man flu is trying to kill me. My voice is not particularly easy to listen. In front of you there is a hand-cranked meat grinder, a vintage one, probably from the 1977, and this is the standard for producing this type of grinder. It could be Bulgarian, when Bulgaria was a satellite country to the Soviet Union, or it could be a Soviet one, I'm not sure. This is a recent purchase from an online, let's say, auction, and it's in relatively serviceable condition. It's cast iron with some kind of coating, could be not coating, plating, could be chrome plating, could be nickel plating, could be zinc. I'm not sure, I'm not familiar with these processes. It's heavily used by the surface marks and traps, but it came with 2 discs. They are carbon steel, so they weren't in this condition. In the next videos I will show you what they looked when I acquisitioned them. This condition is after 24 hours in vinegar and heating them for a couple of minutes with 320 sandpaper on a granite plate, machinist plate, plenty of surface rust, serviceable blade, but again a lot of rust. It's not hygienic to use it like this. So the question is why to spend time and effort and a little bit of money to do this instead of buying a new one or electric one, because it brings me joy to restore some old tools and growing up, because I am born when the Bulgaria was part of the, let's say, Soviet Union, or the economic part of the Soviet Union, and the military, of course. It brings some memories of my mother, my aunt and grandmother using this type of grinders to grind meat, to grind tomatoes or tomatoes. You choose your pronunciation, and trying to make homemade preservatives. I'm not sure that's the right word. Canning, I think, is canning in the English language. So you see, the kitten is very interested, or it was. A mark here. Nothing special about this. I'm planning to buy a new discs and a new knife, a stainless steel ones, preferably from Bekut German stainless steel, which is specially patented for meat grinders. It has around 1% carbon content and a little bit of niobium. and it's very suitable for grinding meat. So, long enough video. Please leave in the comments which is the best way in your opinion to remove the surface rust from this main body, the spiral, the crankshaft and the cap. I think I will use brass or copper brush, some degreaser. Of course, everything will be clean in boiling water for a couple of hours just to be sure that is hygienic. For me, the best way will be to find a guy with bead blaster or sandblaster to remove the coating, the plating, and then find another guy who will do a plating for me, but this will be too expensive and too time consuming, so trying to work with the Soviet technology. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. I will try to stop my kitten ruin my computer again. Hand cranked Soviet era meat grinder series on my channel. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.